Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to build a second brain system in Poppy AI. It's practically just having a secondary board, and you can just name it here, second brain system, right? And you can just have the same thing here. So have several groups. So as you can see, your knowledge board or knowledge vault, this is going to be where you upload everything or put everything here, where you train the secondary Poppy chat to do whatever it is that you want it to do, whatever tasks you want. And the gist of it is you want this to be on a separate board, right? So it says white skunk. You can just rename this as, again, like what I said, secondary brain system, right? So that you don't have cross-contamination between chats. If you want, you can do this within the same board, but it's going to be much more cluttery and messy. Much better if you have a separate chat like this. And you can just train, again, like what I said, train this specific Poppy chat as your secondary brain for whatever tasks you wanted to do. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.